Almost. Hold on. I'll get him. You ready? You ready? Come on. Ah, almost. You got one a second ago. In fact, you got a couple a second ago. You ready? All right. Thank you. Now bat. Right there. That's fine. No, we're not going to play golf. We're going to play baseball. Face towards Bub Bub. Now look towards Daddy. Now put your bat up. There you go. You ready? Almost. I got it. All right, I got it, Henry. Look, batter up. Turn to the side. Okay, now put the bat on the other side. Other side of your head. There you go. All right, you ready to swing?
Yes.
Ah. All right, you ready?
I want it to be what?
Tell you what, I'm just going to throw them so fast you don't have time to get down and grab them. All right, here we go.
Batter up, buddy.
Batter up. All right, hold on, I got another one. I got another one. You ready? Almost. I got another one. I got another one. Henry, no. No, 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 no. Ah. All right, Henry, wait. Wait, I got another one. You ready? Yeah!
Hey!
I got another one. All right, you can throw all those back. That's fair.